Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a functions in JavaScript. Okay, so let's get start. It's more useful. So when you write a function, just type function and name of the function. So my function name is add. Okay, and put it like this one. Okay, this is the curly bracket and this is bracket. Okay, so uh, we want to add two numbers. First a is 10 and what b is equals to a 10, and we want to add. Okay, so the var sum is equals to a plus b. Okay, control s for save and document dot write document dot ri write and sum. Control s for save, and it doesn't show on our browser screen 20. Okay, control s and now refresh the browser. It's nothing happened. Okay, because we didn't call this function. Just copy it and outside of this function, okay, just paste it here. Okay, and put it semicolon. Control s for save and refresh. This is the 20. When you just increase 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay, so why we use function? Okay, so what is the it's why it's required and why we make function. So to understand that, I am making a example for you, which is okay, suppose we have add two numbers and we have written it here, RUTR and return. Okay, and control s for save, and this is our 10 plus 20. Okay, so it's a return. Just make a bundle it here. Return means you just put it here. Okay, return return sum. Okay, so return means you make a bundle and store inside sum, and it's a sum, it returns to here. Means all the result is stored inside a sum, and sum is returned to a 8. So when we call it this function, just copy and paste it here. Okay, and this is, we know that this is the 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay, so when we just document dot write, document dot write, okay, and paste it here. Control s for save, and it gives 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay, so you can see here, when you just increase 20 plus 20, it returns 40. Okay, but when you just remove it here, so you cannot I mean you cannot document that write, means you cannot write like this one. Okay, when you just remove the return, okay, so it says undefined. Okay, so control z and back to 40. Okay, so now we uh, how we use. Okay, I mean why it requires. Okay, and why we use these functions. So this is useful. I am providing two numbers, it here, a and b, two numbers, and we want to add them. Okay, so just put it var. Okay, and we want to add them. So just it takes two parameters. First is a and second is b. So we provide it here, two numbers 5 comma 10. So 5 plus 10 is 15. So f5 15. Okay, we want to suppose 50 plus 10. Control s was a save and f5 for refresh. So it's a more easy to use, and it's we cannot need to write lots of code. Okay, it just write this code, just change these values, and it returns our specific result. Okay, which we want. So this is the use of functions. Okay, so we know that we return sum, and this is 50 plus 10, which is 60, and we also we know that this is the 60, and also we want to add a 60 plus also. So 60 plus 60 is 120, control S for save, and 120 is here. So this is the use of the functions. Okay, so I want to show you one other way, I mean, to add a separate files of JavaScript, and you can call it inside index.html. So just copy this, control X, and you go to your project file, which is here, JS tutorial. Come it here, and here are our file main.js file, which is okay, just delete it and we create from scratch. So this is the main.js. Okay, so this is main.js file. Just drag and drop inside in your code editor. So I have opened it and just paste it here. So I have paste my function it here separately, and now we need to add that file script, which I have previously shown you how to add src, which is the path of your file. Okay, my file, which is my project directory, main.js, and just remove okay, just remove, okay, don't remove, okay, just not need to, control S for save and refresh. It is still 120. Okay, because we have added separate files and we call it inside a body tag. Okay, so it still says 120, and we change the value 50, it says 110 f5. Okay, so this is the way you can uh, call the functions, and you can also call the functions like this one. Okay, so you can onload and name of the function. So my function is add, I mean this function, copy and paste it here, add function, and provide the parameter 5 plus 5. Okay, which returns 10 f5. Okay, it doesn't return because we didn't put it here any uh, document dot write. Okay, document dot write. Okay, and sum, control S for save and refresh. So you can see 10, and when you just change the value, okay, 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so we want to add one more function, which is multiplication. Okay, this is the mul multiplication. We want to multiply two numbers. Okay, so okay, sum, so we want to mul multiplication. Just copy it here, paste it here. Okay, and now we didn't need to call this function. Actually, we need to call this function. Just copy and just paste it here. Okay, anywhere you can just call this function. Okay, so I want to put in script tag. Okay, script close. Okay, and call the function mul, and we provide the 10 into 5. Okay, which is 50, because we have multiplied these two numbers. Control S, you can many functions you can write. Okay, f5 for refresh, it's nothing. So mul a into b, um, okay, a into b, document dot write, and mul function mul. Okay, just control X and paste it here, control S. So it's 50. Okay, so you can call both the function it here. Okay, just remove it here, and this is function 1 for multiplication, and this is for addition. Just copy and paste it here and pass it two parameters, 10 and 50. You can pass many parameters like this one, C, okay, D, okay, E, okay, and name of the function, okay, variable, means var 1. Okay, you can pass many parameters like this one. Okay, you are free to pass put many parameters. Control S for save and refresh. Okay, this is 50, this is 60. Okay, when we add I mean to add 10 plus 50 is 60. Okay, this is 60, and 10 into 5 is 50, which is this one. Okay, so this is the function in JavaScript. If you don't understand this video, okay, so please write a comment, and I will solve your problem. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time. Till then, bye.